So, looking at the report and the testimonies, this is what we have. We have conflicting testimonies on record. So, we're going to look at the facts that all testifying parties agreed to, which is Mr. Buddha, with weapon drawn, had Tanner Phillips unlock a room where the two could enter with a third individual held at gunpoint. Dr. Watson was already in the room at this point. No communication occurred
That don't
between
sound
any
good. That don't
parties
sound
before
good, chat.
Dr. Watson fired his weapon, incapacitating both Mr. Buddha and the individual he was holding at gunpoint. Dr. Watson at no point made an attempt to call police. As a result of this altercation, Mr. Buddha has lost faith in Crusade Medical and cannot get his dick up.
Thank you for reminding me, Anna.
Of Mr. Buddha and Mr. Phillips, and further corroborated by Officer Avery Stone, Mr. Buddha had Tanner inform PD of the situation ongoing over radio. According to the report, Tanner called out, and I quote, 78's on me, Buddha's got a gun, he's begging for police presence, he's begging for cops, he's asking me to take a man into a side room, Buddha's requesting we go into a secure room. So we have Dr. Watson, who admits that he did not announce his presence or in fact say anything before opening fire once Mr. Buddha and the others entered the room he was hiding in, and further admits that at no point did he attempt to call police, despite saying in his statement to the police that he saw the individual with a gun and elected to seek refuge in a private room. We also have Mr. Buddha, who admits to being on edge and taking an individual he believed intended to harm him at gunpoint into a private room, requesting an EMS worker to inform police, as he did so purportedly to reduce risk of casualties in the hospital at large. What we don't have is any record of medical reports or expenditures or proof of lost wages or material assets as a result of this incident. Therefore, no compensatory damages can be substantiated. As far as punitive damages go,
what is punitive? What does that mean?
Dr. Watson, your behavior in this situation
I see every day. I know.
Fundamental misunderstanding of or a blatant disregard for the state stand your ground concept. As such, I am suspending your weapons license for 30 days.
Ooh.
In order to get it back, you will need to complete a weapons training and liability course with a member of PD before seeking out a judge to reissue the weapons license test before issuing you your license back. You will also be paying Mr. Buddha $50,000 in punitive damages for his suffering. You have until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on June 10th to make that payment. That is the ruling of this course, and this case is adjourned.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
50 fucking grand, baby. 50 fucking large, baby.
There you go, sir.
Thank you so much, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Your Honor, he pointed a gun at him.
50 fucking large, baby.
A lot of money right there.
I gotta grab my food.
Your Honor, can you just remind me of that date so I can take